Hi, Theo from Apify again, and today I'll show you how to scrape data from the real estate marketplace Zillow. You will learn how to extract addresses, prices, sellers, agents, and broker information, photos, property descriptions, and much more. To do this, we're going to be using Zillow Zip Scraper in combination with Zillow Detail Scraper. First, let's set up the Zillow Zip Scraper. Head on to Apify Store, search for the scraper, and hit Try for Free. For this, you'll need an Apify account. Don't worry, it's quick, free, and no credit card is required. You'll land on the scraper's setup page. Here you can choose to configure your scrape through our user-friendly interface or by using JSON. We're going to opt for the regular input view. Now let's set up the Zillow Scraper API. Simply input zip codes of areas that you want to extract listings from. We're going to go with New York's 10,001 zip code. You can add more via the Add button or add them in bulk from a spreadsheet. Then you can fine-tune the rest of the input. The scraper lets you set the minimum and maximum listing price and filter out listings based on how long they're on the platform. You can also decide on if you want to see houses sold by agents or direct owners, and if you want to extract rentals and already sold properties. After everything is filled out, just save your setup as a task and run the scraper to start fetching your data. Now let's take this one step further and integrate our configuration with the Zillow Detail Scraper. This actor is capable of extracting even the most detailed housing information, such as agents and broker addresses, phone numbers, availability for tours, and a lot more. However, it needs a home URL in its input, which our Zillow zip code scraper is able to extract. So let's head to the task we created, go to Integrations, select the Zillow Detail Scraper, hit Save, and run the configuration. Now when you head to your Tasks menu, you'll see the Detail Scraper running once the Zip Scraper has gotten all the necessary URLs. After the second actor's run is finished, you can see your results in the Output tab. Let's export them. You can choose your preferred format, such as JSON, CSV, or an HTML table, and decide which fields to include or exclude. Then just hit Download. If you want to automate your workflow even further, you can schedule your Zillow data exporter to run at regular intervals. To do this, choose your task and hit Schedule. You can then specify the frequency of how often you want to run the Zillow scrapers. You can even connect your Zillow scrapers to other cloud services such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. Do you want to know how much it will cost you? These two actors have a pay-per-result pricing schema where an amount is deducted from your Apify balance based on the number of results. But don't forget that Apify gives you $5 in free credits every month, so you can scrape a large amount of data at no cost whatsoever. If you want to learn more, watch our pricing video. A quick tip before I go. With the Zillow Search Scraper, you can get Zillow data based on a search results page URL. Just like with the Zip Scraper, this one gets you a limited amount of data, which you can of course overcome by integrating the Detail Scraper, the same way as in our previous example. Remember, if you encounter any complications, please don't hesitate to report them to the actor developer through the Issues tab in Apify Console. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.